English 6, Term 1, Week 6, Session 3, Using Adjectives and Complements in Sentences. Learning Objectives. The learners are expected to identify pronouns used as subject complements and object complements in sentences. Rewrite and compose sentences using correct pronoun complements. And demonstrate proper use of pronouns in formal communication. It's spelling time. I will pronounce words that are related to the lesson for the day, and you will spell them out in your notebook. Number 1. Pronoun. 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 Number 2. Replace. 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 Number 3. Sentence. 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 Number 4. Grammar. 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 And number 5. Reference. 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 Let us have a review. Directions. Underline the noun complement in each sentence, then write whether it is a subject complement or object complement. Number 1. My brother became a pilot. 2. The class elected Jenny secretary. 3. Our neighbor is a carpenter. 4. They named the kitten Snowball. And number 5, the judges declared Marco the winner. Class, I want you to examine this. Maria is kind. Maria always helps her classmates. Maria studies hard every day. Does the name Maria appear many times? Does the sentence sound repetitive? How can we improve it? Let us have this example. Ben and Carlo play basketball. Ben and Carlo practice every afternoon. Ben and Carlo are good teammates. Which words can replace Ben and Carlo? The dog is barking. The dog is hungry. What word can replace the dog? What word replaced Maria? What word replaced Ben and Carlo? What word replaced the dog? Why do we use words like she, they, it, and we? Today, we will discuss pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition in a sentence. For example, Maria is absent because she is sick. She replaces the noun Maria. Common pronouns include I, you, he, she, it, we, they, me, him, her, us, and them. Just like nouns, pronouns can serve as complements. Subject complements. When a pronoun follows a linking verb to rename the subject, use a subject pronoun. I, he, she, we, they. For example, the winner of the quiz bee was she. Here are other examples. The person at the door is he. The champions of the contest were they. The ones responsible for the project are we. The next speaker is she. The students who volunteered were they. Object complements. When a pronoun renames a direct object, use an object pronoun. Me, him, her, us, or them. This is rarer but occurs with specific verbs of making or calling. Remember, the pronoun follows the direct object and completes its meaning by renaming it. For example, the accident left him a broken man, but the recovery made him himself again. Here are other examples. The experience made her a stronger person. The coach considered him the best player. The teacher called us the achievers of the year. The difficult journey left them exhausted travelers. The performance made me a proud supporter. Let us now have this activity. Directions. Read each sentence. Replace the underlined nouns with the correct pronoun. For example, Maria is reading a book. She is reading a book. Number 1. Ben is playing soccer. 2. The cat is sleeping on the couch. 3. Lisa and Anna are classmates. 4. My parents are at work. 5. My brother and I are studying. Please get your pens and paper. Directions. Rewrite each sentence by replacing the repeated noun with the correct pronoun. For example, Maria is my friend. Maria is helpful. The answer is Maria is my friend. She is helpful. Number 1. Ben is running. Ben is fast. 2. The dog is barking. The dog is hungry. 3. Anna and Joy are singing. Anna and Joy are talented. 4. My parents are cooking. My parents are busy. And number 5, the bird is flying. The bird is colorful. Ways forward. Directions. Compose 5 original sentences using pronouns as complements based on the given prompts. Number 1. Write a sentence using it is I or it was he or she to answer a question. 2. Write a sentence where the subject complement is we. 3. Write a sentence where the subject complement is they. 4. Write a sentence describing a phone call using a pronoun complement to identify the caller. And number 5, write a sentence about a competition where the winner is identified using a subject pronoun complement.